Sun's out, guns out. Time for an environmentally friendly minute out in it, fun seekers. We are at Sawyer Elementary School in Sturgeon Bay, and they love to see the sun. And not just because it bodes well for outdoor recess, but also because it powers this place. They went solar, and here to tell us all about it is a guy that knows all about it, John Sullivan. Hi, John. How are you, brother?
Good.
Good to see you. So when did this happen?
This happened in August of this year as part of the referendum. They had originally thought of adding solar, and so that's why the roof was kind of designed the way it is. And the parapet walls are a little shorter than the ones on the other side, if you see that.
This is fun being up on the
Yeah.
rooftop. So how much of the school do we power with these solar
The
panels?
amount of panels that are here is about 2 to 3 kW, which is enough to power 2 houses through the year. So it doesn't do the whole building.
But a good chunk of
A
it.
good chunk of it, yes.
Why do you think that is so cool?
And well, it's all green and you hear nothing. And when you're inside, you hear nothing. And even the way, like I said, the way it's built in the parapet walls, you don't even see it from the road. So it's just working all the time whenever
when
the sun's out.
The sun is out, do you have a kind of a warm, fuzzy feeling knowing that we're getting power for the school?
Yep, when you come up on the roof and you just see it, it's making power, and it's just kind of unusual to see something that's not making any noise make energy.
And it's probably an instructive thing for the young people to learn about having a smaller footprint environmentally wise.
Correct. Get rid of some of the carbon footprint and